What's up guys, we're back with another video. We're just leaving the dealership right now. My game's a little laggy, but that's okay. We are just going right now, and we're driving the daily Beamer, and we're just going to be heading to the house and checking out my new sports car that I got. Wheel spin. Alright, I'm going to be doing a vlog for a trip I'm doing, and stay tuned for that, keep an update on the channel, and we are just driving back to the house. Car wheel just turned a little bit. We're gunning it down. Yeah, my screen is a little bit off. The graphics are just horrific. I think that was what was making the lag. Whenever it goes on automatic, it honestly just makes it more laggy. But and back to the which is down at I think in this neighborhood. This is the first time we've played Greenville in a while, and just wanted to check back up on how the game is doing. I'm very sad that they removed a bunch of the cars like Chevy, BMW, all those big brands that got removed, and just going a little sharp turn there. But yeah, a lot of the car brands did get removed, but they still are in your inventory, so. That house looks cool. Alright, so we're heading down this road at the end of here. The small house with the garage, I think it's like the first one on the street. Yeah, first or second one. First, can't tell if it's first or second. But, yeah. My new sports car is kind of different, but it is very fast. And we will be just seeing how it does in backing into the driveway here. Just checking out. Look at how lowered that thing is. Honestly, I like it. Rate it in the comments. We'll see how it goes. Parking the Beamer. Your normal BMW doesn't have that turbo. And hold up. 3, 2, 1. Lowered. GT500, I think. I'm sure. But it is nice. We're gonna be just seeing how it goes. We will see what goes on, and this flies. But we're gonna be hitting the back out some speed on this. Yo! did not see him there, did not know he was doing the crab walk maneuver, but yeah, oh, my heart's not me. There's a giant Chevy behind me, chasing me down. It's honestly kind of scary. Brake going here. Oh, my sports car. This dude just flew over me. Wow. He's got maybe 6 or 7 inch on his Tahoe, trying to fly through. Oh yeah, I'm going to get it painted. Forgot about that. Because I'm not really feeling the light blue anymore. The white stripe doesn't really go along. But, yeah. Spot out again. What's the problem? It's got so much horsepower that it just spins. Gonna get better tires. We're gonna just put there some of the colors here. White, I mean, it just really doesn't give off the stripes. I don't really like it. Black, I mean, it's just more of a basic color. Light blue, that's really what I had. That's really what I had. But red, just kind of basic. The gray was alright. The dark red, I mean, that does look pretty good. We should get orange or the yellow. We're gonna go to the extra colors because they're looking snazzy. I don't know what it wants. The green. The gray don't look too bad, but it does look not as good. But, dookie brown. Imagine seeing that at a race. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with blue. It's okay. Alright. I think we're gonna head back to the house. Or just get rid of it. I just heard gunshots. Yo, gunshots are good. Yo. I got it. We need. Oh, shoot. Please, no. Oh. Barely reception. Never mind that. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna wrap up the video there. Just wanted to show off the new sports car, the Beamer. And, well, he's going somewhere. But yeah, just want to show off the new sports car, just how the Beamer is and how it looks. Alright, guys, that's gonna be all for